It's no secret that the Treasure Valley is growing. And in a state known for its wildlife, protecting the places that our animals call home is no small task. I'm neighborhood reporter Riley Shoemaker, and I spoke with one Boise conservation group that is using levy funds to protect habitats along the Boise River.
It's instantly calming.
The Golden Eagle Audubon Society has been protecting wildlife habitat in the Treasure Valley for more than 50 years. And right now, they're focused on keeping pace with growth that's putting pressure on natural space.
The Treasure Valley is growing substantially and has been for a couple decades now. So their loss of habitat is the biggest threat to birds right now, and other wildlife as well.
One of the group's biggest projects, the Boise River Rewild Project, restored more than 40 acres of habitat near Barber Park. And that progress was possible because of a prior Boise open space levy.
Our Boise River Rewild Project was made possible because of the Boise levy grant. So in 2021, we applied for levy funds and received those funds, and it turned out to be $48,000.
The project was paid for through a previous levy, separate from the one voters passed this November. It funded supplies like tools, plants, and materials, and helped build a team of stewards who now care for the land.
Good plants means good bugs, means good birds.
Like John Matthews, who began volunteering after he retired.
Built an incredible network of volunteers that really know quite a bit about native plants and stewardship and planting and habitat. We as man have come in and we've impacted our environments, and it's good because we're part of a growing community, but at the same point we can give back and try to create some of the balance a little bit.
And for many, including John, the work has become deeply personal.
It really is my second career. It doesn't pay as well, but it's a lot more rewarding.
Now with a new levy approved, the organization hopes more projects will be possible in the future.
The more people that get out and vote yes for this levy, the more possibilities we have as a community to have more of these spaces for us all.
The Audubon Society says they are always looking for more volunteers, and you can find more information on how you can get involved in this story on idahonews6.com. I'm neighborhood reporter Riley Shoemaker, Idaho News 6.